time for the Muppet Show. It's time for the Puppet Life. I'm your host, Kermit the Frog, and I'm your host, Cookie Monster. Hey, Cookie Monster. Yeah. Why do they call you Cookie Monster? Because I'm a monster and a cookie. Oh, it didn't make sense. That's true. Ow! Dang! Cookie Monster, what are you
After this video, Mommy? After this video, can I get the stickers?